We welcome the delegate CEO and CFO of Anheuser-Busch Limited for Attrition study presentation here. We are DDS Analytics. Our company's expertise lies in employee management and retention solution, training programs, attrition and prevention strategies. We use data science for talent management. This is about Anheuser-Busch, established for 165 years, headquartered in St. Louis, have 18 billion in annual revenue, flagship brands of Budweiser and Bud Light. Some of the reason for attrition could be a lack of employee engagement, talent recognition, better opportunities elsewhere. Attrition is a gradual reduction of workforce talent through resignation and layoff. Management needs to reduce attrition in organization for growth and progress, though it is an ongoing process. We have been provided with a great set of data. We have 1,170 observations in the employee data, provided with 37 attributes on employees. Clean and consistent data for analysis was provided. There are no missing attributes in data for study. Some data had to be discarded for study though. ID, employee count, over 18, standard hours, rank are some of the columns that we need to read out from the data set. 16.6% attrition rate was observed in the data that was provided to us. A turnover rate of 10% is considered very healthy. The table here provides the vision on what has been put through in the analysis. This is some of the graphs that was provided by the graphic machine. Here, correlation income, monthly rate and hourly rate. Here, education field and environment. These are some of the correlated variables that could be weeded out for our study. This is a scatter plot about income, work-life balance versus attrition. Here, current role and current manager versus attrition. This plot here on the histogram and density shows monthly income and attrition. We see the concentration of density on monthly income below or around 7,000. The attrition rate is very high. This is a box plot that shows age and attrition. We see that median age of 36 where attrition goes down, whereas in 32 it is very high. We also see a plot here that shows the age and service. The higher the age, the number of people in the employee in the company is very less. This is marital status and attrition. So married employees attrition rate is less. You can see that in the middle, the divorced and the single, we see a very high rate of attrition. They always seek greener pastures. On to KNN classification model. We did a cross-validation for variable selection here. The importance function is done permutating predictor variable with attritions to select the top 10 variables here based on error rate for classification. We see marital status, year at company, overtime, total working hours, monthly income, job level are some of the attributes that we have selected on top. This is one of the KN cross-validation graph that shows model accuracy versus repeated cross-validation accuracy. You see that K nearest neighbors here shows around 0.85. That means 85% accuracy. Data was split to training and test 75 to 25 respectively. The final result here shows confusion matrix and statistics. We could predict attrition rate with the machine learning algorithm with around 86.6% accuracy here. Here yes means attrition, no means no attrition. To conclude, management needs to take some actions here. Incentives and periodic promotions, employee engagement, leadership development, stock options, meaning profit sharing, employer sponsored events, keeping attrition around 10% and monitoring it constantly. Employee needs to feel valued in an organization to show their loyalty. Many thanks for the opportunity provided to us. We are available if you have any follow-up questions on this. Thank you very much.